Hello, hey, I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my business card. I'm going to be handing this out at South by Southwest. Of course, if we turn it back over on the other side, you see the original business card. And what I've done here is I created a QR code and resized them and printed them out on a bunch of Avery type stock stuff. So in essence, I created my own sticker and I am applying the sticker to this area right there on the back of the business card. Now, if you're still new to QR codes, check this out. Here's what happens. What folks have is the way they take advantage of these QR codes is they have their smartphone and they have downloaded one of many available QR code readers. This one that I'm using here is called QuickMark. It was free. I can do a number of things with it. So let's say I want to scan barcodes. In this case, I want to scan a QR code. And what I want to show you here, see those little red corners right there? That is, those are sites. And so when I put a QR code within the sites, it recognizes it. It translates that QR code into a string of text. This text happens to be a website URL. So if I click a button, it takes me to a page that we've created here at LunaWeb. It's a mobile optimized page, and it just has a little bit more information about me. So remember, if you're coming from the business card to this page, I'm going to be at a trade show, South by Southwest. It's not really a trade show. Some people call it a festival. It's I don't know. It's huge, and there's tons of information. About 12 or 13,000 web interactive type geek folks there, and lots of information to be shared, and a lot of collaboration going on, and I come back with lots of ideas. So lots of inspiration. But anyway, so I've got some of my goals that I want to accomplish there at Southwest on the bottom of this page. Then down here also I have links to some of the other stuff that we have done. So there's one to Twitter. And if, let's see, I go back. I'm actually trying to film this through filming a phone through a video camera is a little bit more difficult. So there's a link to LunaWeb. This is our new mobile optimized page that works on smartphones. So it's specifically formatted for smartphones, and the content's different. Email, of course, blog, which is a mobile optimized blog. Then my favorite is this phone number link down here. I know it's nothing new, but you hit that phone number. It puts that phone number into the dialer, and all somebody has to do is click their little green send button or dial, and you're talking to me. That's just awesome. I can't get over it. Then here's a link that works on iPhones. It doesn't work on this Droid, unfortunately, because there's no standard. But if you click that link from an iPhone, a little window comes up and it lets you send a text. So there's no standard for that yet. So it doesn't work on all phones, and we're going to run into a lot of that, unfortunately, going through this. A lot of compatibility types of things. There's different operating systems, but I just wanted to share that with you. If that's something that you have an interest in doing, putting together a QR code, please give us a call here at LunaWeb, because we focus on the web and have been for the last 16 years. And what a lot of folks will look at these QR codes as a bridge that spans the gap between the offline printed world and stuff online. So when you start looking at it that way, you can see your wheels can start spinning. You can see there's just a whole lot of potential, and we are already doing things for our clients right now using QR codes. So if that's something you have interest in, hey, let's toss around some ideas. Anyway, I'm no doubt going to run into some fantastic iterations of QR codes while down at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas, and I'll be shooting photos of that and trying to get more information, and I'll check back in with you guys and see if I can see how much of this I can share.